Ah.
I'm believing that I'm flying like a cannonball. Yeah. What if I'm just concealing that I'm waiting for a star to fall? Won't you do me a favor? Won't you do me a favor? All this time I'm looking at my telephone, 'cause I'm thinking of your hand and the way you made the best on me, on me. Dynamite, you just blew my mind right now, right now. One more night, baby, come and show me how.